أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal and you are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. Inshallah, in this class we will read comparison in opposite Sifaat-ul-Huroof and also the comparison between letters. So which letters have which quality? So inshallah in the paragraph we will read that one. So before going to start our class, make sure to subscribe our channel, Online Islamic Classes, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for new videos, or you can visit our website www.islamicclasses.com. In the last class, we finished the qualities of the Arabic letters, which are the permanent characteristics with opposites and the permanent characteristics without opposites. Right now we will compare the opposite qualities letters, like which quality have which letters and how many letters are there in that quality and which are basically that letters. Now you can see here to the left side it is written number, no, it's number. Under this there are number of letters, and in the second portion it is sifat name, like these are the sifat, and after that it is letters in group. So which sifat you are looking here? So in the front of these sifat there are the letters which have these sifat, okay, similarly to the right side. Okay, so let's start now. The first quality is Huruf Mahmusa, the first quality which we read, hums. So which letters have hums quality? That letters are total in 10, right? The 10 is already written here. So that letters, which letters have hums quality, we call Huruf Mahmusa, and Huruf Mahmusa are 10, which is in group فَحَثَّهُ شَخْصٌ سَكَتْ, right? If you want to compare the letters, or you want to remember the letters which have the qualities, so that's why this image is very good for you to practice and to remember, and you can compare which quality has which letters. Okay, so the first, as I told, here is first is hums, فَحَثَّهُ شَخْصٌ سَكَتْ, and the opposite of al-hams there was al-jahar, and there is remaining 19 letters. As you know, there are 29 letters of Arabic, and this is the remaining 19 because 10 is here mahmusa, and this huruf majhura, this is the opposite, like the jahar quality. So in the jahar quality there are 19 letters which you can see here: alif, ba, jim, dal, zal, ra, za, so on. So these 19 letters are called huruf majhura, right? Majhura letters. And the next is huruf shadida. So there are 8 letters of shadida which we call shidda letters, right? This is the quality name, and the letters of shadida there are 8, which are ajidu, qatim, bakat. So these 8 letters, whenever come, we make shidda quality in that letters. And the opposite of ashidda, it is ar-rakhawa, which is here, like the rakhawa. There are 16 letters of rakhawa, which you can see here is written in the front of huruf rakhawa. And between huruf shadida and huruf rakhawa, the letters of shadida and the letters of rakhawa, there is another quality which we read, that was mutawassita, or the bayyina, huruf mutawassita, and this quality has 5 letters, so which is lin umar. So if we skip these 8 letters and the 5 these letters, so the remaining letters are 16, which are rakhawa letters, and which is rakhawa is the opposite of a shadida, and mutawassita is the between between ash-shadida and ar-rakhawa, like shadida letters and rakhawa letters. The next is huruf musta'liya, the musta'liya letters which we call isti'la. So there are 7 letters of al-isti'la which are khusra, dagtin, qil. So these 7 letters are of musta'liya, and remaining 22 letters are called huruf mustafila, which are the light letters, right? Mustafila, it is also istifal, or the letters which have this quality, that quality name we call mustafila. The next is huruf mutbaqa, so which letters have itbaq quality, that letters you can see here there are 4 letters: sad, dad, ta, wa. These 4 letters have mutbaqa quality, that's why we call these letters huruf mutbaqa, and it is 4 letters. And the remaining 25 letters are called munfatiha, like infitah qualities letters, so which are here. The other one is huruf muzlaqa, which are 6 letters. Okay, huruf muzlaqa, these are the 6 letters. Farra bil lubbin, and remaining 23 letters that are also written here. So for making this image to show you that the letters and the qualities on the one place, similarly the opposite of that qualities, which letters are. That's why this is the one comparison in opposite Sifaat-ul-Huroof. Comparison in opposite Sifaat-ul-Huroof, right? So which qualities are the opposite, so that all qualities are here, and the letters which have that qualities, that letters also on this one place. I hope you understand this. Now we just read the comparison between letters. So which letters have which quality, right? As this is one another page, this is more easy for you to remember. And here you can see the permanent characteristics with opposites. So which are the permanent characteristics with opposites? That qualities are here from 1 to 5, and the last remaining 6, that is without opposites. Still these are the permanent qualities but without opposites. So that qualities you can see in the 6th number, right? So the first letters, here is the letters on the right, to the right side. The first is alif. Alif has jahar quality, rakhawa quality, istifal, infitah, ismat. One thing you have to remember, each Arabic letter has minimum 5 qualities. Okay, the all qualities of the letters you can see on this one place. So the alif has al jahar. Jahar means you read that already, these qualities in the previous lessons. If you didn't know about the qualities, what is jahar, what is rakhawa, I just recommend to you to watch my before tutorials which I made already. So then inshallah you will understand what are these qualities and what's how to pronounce that qualities in the letters. Because why we read the qualities? The qualities we read to differentiate the sound. Like if one letter or 2 letters are coming from one place, right? Or how we can know that these 2 letters have different sound. So in the qualities you will understand that this letter we read like bold or light, in heavy sound, in soft sound, in light sound. In the second is ba. Ba has also jahar. Let me tell you a little bit about these qualities here, about the definition. Like in jahar we just discontinue the breath. In the jahar we discontinue the breath. In rakhawa we continue the sound. There are 2 things. The one is breath and the second is sound. In jahar we discontinue the breath, and in rakhawa we continue the sound. The sound we continue. Istifal is the light letters, which letters, because alif is light, but there is also alif, sometimes we read light, sometimes we read bold. It depends on the condition. Infitah, it is also one another, like opening letters. Ba has jahar shiddat. Shiddat is the shiddah quality, like when we pronounce ba, so there should be like strong sound, like when we say ab, ab, look, ab. In ab the sound how is like we are making shiddah sound quality. That's why this letter has shiddah. Istifal, infitah, and islaq is there. In ta, it has hums. These are the difference. You can see it is very easily you can remember which letter has which quality, so you can know the difference between the letters sound. So the ta has hums, which is the flowing of air, so the continuation of breath, like we say at, 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 right? In shidda, like the shidda again is like we can say it is discontinue the sound. Okay, in shidda discontinue the sound, and how it is, so we say at. So at, when we say at, so that the sound is discontinuing, and when we release the sound, then its hums quality comes, like we say at, that is. It also istifal, infita, and ba has also qalqala quality there, like which is without opposite qualities, qalqala. So that's why we say ab, the shidda quality ab, and the qalqala quality b, ab. Sa, it has hums quality, again the flowing of air, the airflow in the mouth, and we say ath with the soft sound. Rahawa is continuation of the sound, that's why we are continuing, or we are continuing the breath, and similarly we are continuing the sound, we say ath, ath. Look, the sound is basically also continuing. Also it has istifal, infitah, ismat. So main qualities are these first four qualities, and the last without opposite as well. The next is jim. It has jahar quality. There is no hums in the jim, as we cannot flow the air in our mouth. It has shidda at ad. We are just discontinuing the sound. Ad, right? That is shidda. And it has qalqala, so we also release the sound, and the qalqala sound comes aj, aj. Ha, it has hums quality. Again we flow. We say ah, ah. It has rakhawa, the continuation of the sound. We are continuing ah, the sound is continuing, and hums as well. Istifal, infitah, ismat. Kha has hums. We say ah, ah. The air is flowing, the breath is continuing. And in Rahawa the sound is continuing. The one more quality in this letter, and that is isti'la. Isti'la, like the bold letters. Okay, we make bold sound. We say ah, ah, right? And other are the same. In the dal, it has a jahar quality, and shidda jahar, like the discontinuation of the breath. As we say ad, the breath is discontinuing, ad. And the shidda is as well ad. In the shidda, what we read, the discontinuation of the sound, and in jahar, the discontinuation of the breath. Istifal, infitah, hismat, and qalqala as well. So you can see that each letter has a different sound from another letters, as you can see, due to these qualities. The next is zal. Zal has jahar quality. We also discontinue the breath. In the zal, we discontinue the breath, and in rahawa, we continue the sound. Okay, we continue the sound, as we say al, al. Jahar, discontinue the breath. It is al, al, because it's no flow here, like al, like in hams we say ah, ah. So that is. But rahawa is there, like the continue the sound. Istifal, infitah, ismat are the same. Ra, it has jahar quality. Again, the discontinuation of the breath. We are not continue the breath like in hams. And tawassut, it has tawassut quality. Tawassut, like the between. We do not make too strong sound, and we do not make too soft sound. So this is between. It is not rahawa or not shidda. In Rakhawa it is soft sound, in Shidda it is strong, and Tawassut is the between. So we say Arsala, Arsala, like the Ra is little Tawassut. It notes Arsala, Arsala, it is, if we say Arsala, that is Shidda. If we say Arsala, that is Rakhawa. Both are wrong. So this is middle, Tawassut, middle, Arsala, Istifal, Infitah, Itlaq, Takreer. One more thing, Takreer, from without opposite. So it's Takreer, like we make the repetition sound one time only, like we say Ra, Sala, and Inhiraf. This is another quality. So here is the other letters quality. You can compare yourself as well. So Za, it has Jahar, Rakhawa, Istifal, Infitah, Ismat, and Safir. This is one additional sifa here. Safir is like a whistling sound. As we say Az, Jahar, the discontinuation of the breath. Rakhawa, continuation of the sound, and we say Az. If we discontinue the breath, so it is Az. If we continuation of the sound, so it is Az, and the Safir's quality as well is the sound of Safir is coming. In the scene, it has also Safir and it has hums like As, or we say Bismillah. This, the continuation of the breath. Bis, Rakhawa, the continuation of the sound, like Bis, the sound is also continuing. Istifal, Infitah, Ismat, and Safir. Safir, like whistling sound is. Sheen, it has hums. Ash, Rakhawa, continuation of the sound. Similarly, Istifal, Infitah, Ismat, and Tafashi. Tafashi is like shh, like that is Tafashi sound, the spreading the sound in the mouth, like Ash. Sad, it has also hums. Os, like, and the Safir, like the whistling sound, and Rakhawa, also the continuation of the sound. Isti'la, these two qualities, it makes it different from the scene, and that is Isti'la, because scene is not Isti'la. Scene has Istifal and it has Isti'la, bold sound. Os, and Itbaq, extra bold. Os, right, Safir. And Dad, it has Jahar, Rakhawa, Isti'la, Itbaq, Ismat, Istitala. You can watch my before tutorials on these qualities, so I make already. Here only I am just telling to you the comparison little bit. Qa, it has Jahar. So in Dad, it has Jahar, the sound is the breath is discontinuing, like we say Al, the breath sound is continuing, like Al, Isti'la, bold, Itbaq, extra bold, Istitala, like Istitala, we say Al, we say Walad, Dallin, Walad, Dwa, right? Ta, it has Jahar. Shidda as well, like At. If we say Tu, that is Kalkala sound, and At. Isti'la, again bold sound, Itbaq, extra bold, and Kalkala. Za, Jahar, Rakhawa, Isti'la, Itbaq. Okay, so these are two qualities makes it different from other letters. Ain, it has Jahar, but Tawassut, like the middle, we say Budu, Ar. We cannot say like Shidda quality, or we cannot say Rakhawa like Ar, like soft, too soft. Okay, Tawassut, middle. Budu, Istifal, Infitah, Ismat qualities are in this letter. Ghain, it has Jahar, Rakhawa, Isti'la. This Isti'la make it different from other letters. Okay. Fa, it has again hums, like we say Af, hums. Rakhawa, the continuation of the sound. Istifal, Infitah, and Itlaq. Here are the remaining letters now. The Qaf, you can see it has Jahar quality, Shidda and Al-Isti'la. So the Qaf doesn't have Itbaq quality, it has Infitah, because in Itbaq it is extra word. A Jahar, like discontinue the breath, we say up, discontinue, it's not flowing. Shidda, make the Shidda, as we are saying we're strong, up, and Isti'la, bold, up, qalqala, up, hums, flowing the air or the continuation of the breath, we say ak, this k's, ak, shidda, again ak is shidda sound strong, ak, like we are ak, istifal, light sound, infitah, opening, ismat. Lam, it has jahar, tawassut, istifal, tawassut in the lam, right? Just remember, ja'alna, we cannot say ja'alna, or we say alhamdu, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In the lam, in the mim, in the noon, these three letters have tawassut quality, and the jahar, the next is istifal, infitah. In the lam it has jahar, tawassut, istifal, infitah, itlaq and inhiraf, right? The sound block in the mouth, inhiraf means the block, and the air goes to the outside from the side of the tongue. In the mim it has jahar, tawassut, again the middle sound, istifal, light, infitah, idlaq, the noon, jahar, similarly tawassut, istifal, infitah, idlaq. Waw, ghair madda, like this waw is not a madda letter, this is like waw without madda. So similarly we say waw, that is jahar, it has jahar, rakhawa, istifal, infitah, ismat. Ha, it has hams, like we say or we say rakhawa, istifal, infitah, ismat, because I already told every quality how the sound, so you can see that as well. Hamza, it has jahar, shidda, like jahar, the discontinuing the breath, and shidda, discontinuing the sound. This letter sound makes different from other letters. Ya, it is again ghair madda ya, not a madda letters. Inshallah I will explain about these two things, wow, ghair madda and ya ghair madda. Ya, it has jahar, rakhawa, istifal, infitah, ismat. So these are the comparison between letters, so which letters have which quality, and I hope you understand about this. If you have any kind of question or you want to know more about the qualities, so you please watch my tutorials on the qualities of the Arabic letters I made already in this session. Otherwise, if you want to give any suggestion or anything else, please let me know. Inshallah I will try my best to do that, and I hope you are learning something from my videos. If you like my videos, please share with your friends, or also click on the like button. After this, inshallah, we will start the temporary characteristics, and after this I will work on the Urdu videos in Makharij. We will start Makharij first, and step by step, inshallah, I will teach everything that everyone can learn from my videos. Okay, I think it's too long video today, so inshallah see you in the next class. Have a nice day, take care, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.